Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a morning routine to show you what I get up to in the morning. So first of all, I go and I let my rabbits out into their run. Then I go into my very messy shed to give them some pellets. I have pellets in the morning and veggies at night. I have two rabbits, the white one's BB and the multicoloured one's Pebbles. Then we need to fill up their water bowl, and here is BB demonstrating how you do it. Then I give them some hay off camera and it's time to go see Vivi. It was such a windy day today and it was raining all last night, so Vivi was in her stable.
Hello, Vivi. Hello. How are you? What have you got on your face? What is that? What have you got on your face? Is it cobweb? Yeah.
So as you heard, yes, Vivian had a cobweb on her and she was absolutely filthy.
Oh, you look so cute.
And then I wash out her bowl and give her some breakfast. So she has a little bit of 16 plus cubes. And then she also has the veteran chaff. Because believe it or not, Vivi's actually 20. I put some water in her feed to help her chew it, and because she's a very picky drinker, so this will help her stay hydrated. Yes, then it started raining. This is quite normal for the UK though, so for now just enjoy this Vivi ASMR. She also does this thing where she gets so excited she starts pouring. So I decided to give her some horse licks to keep her entertained. Don't worry, I knew there was a hay net on the floor. Also, the lighting was terrible, but anyway, I'm not sponsored by horse licks, but do highly recommend them. We both just chilled here for a little bit waiting for the rain to stop because neither of us wanted to go out in that. Then the rain had died down, so it was time to go out in the field. This is Viv's best friend Gemma. Then she was impatiently waiting for her hay. Now it's time to take the short walk back up to the yard. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a like and maybe subscribe, as it really does help me out. Bye!